Ready to start a business in Hawaii? Applying for a GE license is actually quite easy. To put it simply, a GE or General Excise license is needed for anyone engaging in business activities in the state who is not receiving a W-2 and who may also receive a 1099. There is no age limit. Some income-producing activities that are not commonly known for which you need a GE license for are things like babysitting, garage sales, if not considered a casual sale, fundraising, which are sales of tangible personal property like baked goods, tutoring, or bartering. The general principle is if you are doing the activity with a business motivation, more than likely you will need a GE license. Instead of a sales tax, Hawaii has a GET or General Excise Tax. The GE tax is a tax on the business and not on the consumer, with the rates being 0.15% on insurance commissions, 0.5% on wholesaling, manufacturing, or producing, and 4% on all other activities, with an additional 0.5% county surcharge for the counties of Oahu, Hawaii, and Kauai. Before starting the application process, if applying for anything other than a sole proprietorship, which is you as an individual, or an unregistered partnership married, make sure you have registered the business entity with the Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs and have received or applied for a federal employer's identification number with the IRS, if applicable. Once that is done, you can proceed with step 2, applying for the license. To apply online, visit our eServices website at hitax.hawaii.gov. You may also submit a paper application which can be found at tax.hawaii.gov under Forms and Publications, Hawaii Tax Forms by Form Number, and the Form BB1, Basic Business Application. Here are some of the most common inquiries when filling out the application. The date activity began in Hawaii is the date you started your business, the date you are potentially starting your business, or the date you first received income. You are able to backdate this. For the accounting period, a calendar year is from January through December, while a fiscal year start month is a month that you determine aside from January. For example, your year may start from August and end in July. If you are an individual, you will normally be a calendar year filer. For the accounting method, cash method is reporting and paying on income that you received within your elected filing period. It does not mean that you are only taking in cash payments. Accrual method is reporting and paying on income that you have not yet received. Normally, that's if you invoice the customer in January, but you don't expect payment until February, so you report and pay on that invoice for January month if a monthly filer. For the Doing Business as Name or DBA, please note we do not require you to register a DBA name with the DCCA, but check with your financial institution to see if it's a requirement of theirs. You may register it with the DCCA later, but if the name has been taken, you would need to update the name with us. The NAICS activity code is easy enough to find using the search feature if applying online. For paper applications, you can search the NAICS code at the address listed here. For your filing frequency, it's based on your total taxes paid for the year. In this example, we will be using the amounts for income taxed at the 4.5%. If your taxes paid is less than $2,000, you can be a semi-annual filer, which is every 6 months. Quarterly filers, which is every 3 months, are less than $4,000 in taxes paid. For monthly filing, it's taxes paid of $4,000 or more. If you meet the monthly criteria, you will be required to file and pay your returns electronically. When starting out a new business, if you do not know how much you will make, you can pick any of the 3 filing frequencies. Once you report your gross receipts, if we see that your income exceeds that filing frequency, we will automatically move you to the correct one. If you're wondering where's the yearly filing option, there's no such thing. Remember which filing frequency you choose. If applying online, once you have received a confirmation of submission, congratulations! You have now come one step closer to starting your business in Hawaii. You'll be notified of your general excise number through email, and the paper one will be mailed shortly. If mailing in your application, you will receive a letter and your GE license within 7 to 10 business days from the date the application was received. Here are some important things you should know. Your license is not valid until we receive the license fee payment. Your license must also be displayed at your place of business. Don't find yourself in violation. For more detailed information about violations, fines, and cash-based businesses, look in our GE brochure. With the license comes a responsibility to keep up to date with Hawaii state tax laws, filing and paying your GE returns timely, and filing a Hawaii state income tax return. For additional information about applying for a GE license and about the GE tax, please visit tax.hawaii.gov and refer to Tax Facts TF 31-1 Licensing and Tax Information for New Businesses and TF 37-1 General Excise Tax. Good luck with your future endeavors. If you are doing a paper application, attach your check and you can mail it in or drop it off in the drop box at any of our district locations. We hope this video has been a great help to you and are always ready to provide you with additional assistance if need be. Thank you and stay safe and healthy.